today we'll be discussing how we can leverage Plex to identify future bottlenecks within your planning process and ultimately run a smoother shop floor. We're going to start by taking a look at our supply plan here. We're able to take a long-term view of our demand and supply, starting with our current inventory, driving through our forecasts and open customer orders to determine our total demand. Bringing in system-calculated safety stocks, we can understand what our future supply requirements are on a long-term rolling basis, hereby identifying where supply exceeds demand or where we're going to have constraints outside of our tactical planning horizon. For food and beverage manufacturers, we can consider batch sizes, pack sizes, and even possible future expiration within this long-term planning process. Ultimately, this helps us in terms of planning our capacity. That supply plan can be reviewed against rough cut machine capacity, allowing us to see future capacity bottlenecks before they become problems for our shop floor. In the more near term, Plex finite scheduling will take already created jobs and optimize the dispatch list for the shop floor. Jobs can consider machine availability, staffing requirements, and material requirements, while also sequencing jobs for things like allergens to eliminate possible changeovers. With these resources, we can really identify future bottlenecks ahead of time and optimize our shop floor, leveraging the Plex planning tools.